Hello, I'm Lindsey, psychic medium extraordinaire. This is a psychic development exercise. I am placing 6 cards in front of me. Take a mental imprint right now of the 6 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Switching gears back to a close-up of my very tired face. Okay, so this psychic development exercise is determine which card Lindsey pulls over. So what I want, turns over. So what I want you to do is get yourself in active listening mode by asking me, as if I was in the room with you, which card I turn over. So literally just think to yourself, or say it out loud, whatever you gotta do. Lindsey, what card do you flip over? That is going to put you in active listening mode, because psychic information is observed. It is not created. And your mind will jump in there and create things but if you're asking me, it's like you get this space between your mind and you, because your mind is like, oh, she's not talking to me, so it's gonna listen. It's gonna listen also. All right. So, Lindsey, what card do you pull over? Turn over. And then listen. Pause if you need to. Bonus points if you can connect to what colors are on the other side of the card. Number 3. There you go. Wandering between realms. That's what we're doing. Absolutely. Don't forget to check out the link in my bio. I created a workbook for the Foundations of Psychic Development, and it is for sale right now for only $7, which will be going up in a few days. And yeah, so go check it out. Bye.